In this simple tutorial, I will show you how to inspect the perforated pattern before we save the final result in a DXF file format. Let's run Image 2 Punch by clicking the icon. Then, open an image file. In this case, we will open the tiger face image. Zoom all the image so we can see it better. Then, click the tooling on the navigator bar to open the tooling mode. Now, let's define some parameters before we generate the perforated pattern. In the tooling mode navigator bar, let's use the laser mode tooling. If it is selected, the button bar will be yellow. Then, click the Select Tools to define the tool parameter. In this tutorial, we use Round tool. Then we set up the minimum diameter to be 4 mm. The maximum diameter will be 12 mm. And the total tools will be 12 tools. We also use normal tool order for this tutorial, and the minimum clearance is set to be 4 mm. After that, we specify the sheet size to be 2000 mm by 2000 mm. For all other parameters configuration, we just let them as is. Now, click the Generate button on the bottom part of the navigator bar. We can see the perforated pattern result, but it is not really in good picture quality. We can also improve the quality by zooming in closer. However, we cannot see the overall pattern. The reason why the pattern result is not in highest image quality is simply because it is designed to be responsive and easy to navigate for quick inspection. In other words, the viewing is optimized for performance rather than equality. This reason is also applied in many 3D modeling software such as Blender 3D. When in the modeling mode, the quality is not really good as we can see. However, the user can review the result in a rendering mode where the quality is very good. In Blender, this will be in a separate mode and you need to click the Render menu item. Let's get back to Image 2 Punch. There is another way where we can get a little better quality. In doing so, we can simply view the result in the Print Preview mode. Let's click the Print button in the standard toolbar. After we click it, the screen will be in Printing View mode. In here, the pattern result is likely to have a better quality compared to the screen view in the tooling mode. We can also zoom in and zoom out to see a bigger image of the pattern by clicking the bottom located on the top header. There is a Print button in case we want to print the pattern. Now, let's click the Close button to go back to the tooling mode. The other way for checking the perforated pattern before we save as DXF file is simply to save the pattern as an image. In doing so, we need to click Save Image button in the tooling mode. When it is clicked, the Save Image dialog box will open. Then, we can specify the image name and where the image will be saved. We can also specify the image size by using the predefined sizing, from smallest to the largest, which is up to 10,000 pixels by 10,000 pixels. Or, we can also define our custom size by clicking the Enable Resize checkbox. Then, we type the dimension either for width or height. After that, click Save. So, by saving the pattern as an image, Image 2 Punch system will create the best image quality of the perforated pattern. Then we can open this image file using Image Viewer to inspect the perforated pattern. If we are happy with the result, we can then save the DXF file and use it for the next steps. In case we want to tweak and improve again, we can simply change the parameter that we want to change and repeat the reviewing and inspecting process again. This is the end of the video. I am hoping this will provide you a good information.